Save money on gas. 8 must-know hacks for lower fuel costs. Are you tired of seeing higher and higher numbers at the gas pump every time you fill up your car? Fuel prices may feel like something you have no control over, but the truth is, with the right habits and strategies, you can significantly cut down on your gas expenses. In this video, we'll explore 8 must-know hacks that will empower you to drive smarter and save money. The best part? These tips don't just help you financially, they're also great for the environment. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button like this video and leave a comment sharing your favorite gas-saving tips. Let's thrive together as we learn to lower fuel costs 1 mile at a time. Did you know that something as simple as keeping your tires inflated to the correct pressure can save you money on gas? Underinflated tires create more resistance as your car moves, forcing your engine to work harder and burn more fuel. On the other hand, overinflated tires can decrease traction and lead to uneven wear, which also impacts efficiency. Take a few minutes to check your tire pressure at least once a month. Most gas stations provide air compressors, and all you need is a tire gauge to ensure your tires are at the manufacturer recommended PSI, pounds per square inch. You can find this number listed in your car's manual or on a sticker located on the driver's side door frame. Keeping your tire pressure optimal might seem like a small step, but it's an easy way to improve your gas mileage, reduce tire wear, and keep your vehicle running efficiently. Cruise control is more than just a convenience feature. It's also a smart fuel-saving tool. When driving on highways or long stretches of road, maintaining a steady speed helps your engine operate efficiently. Frequent acceleration and deceleration use more gas, which is why setting your cruise control can keep your fuel consumption low. However, use this feature wisely. It's most effective on flat roads and highways. In hilly terrain, cruise control can cause your car to speed up unnecessarily, which defeats the purpose of saving fuel. As a general rule, whenever you're driving on smooth roads with consistent traffic flow, switch on the cruise control and enjoy both the savings and the hassle-free ride. Tip: combine cruise control with planning efficient routes, our next hack, for even better results. How many times have you driven somewhere only to end up sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic or taking a longer route than necessary? Each minute spent idling in traffic or driving unnecessary miles drains your fuel tank and your wallet. That's why route planning is key to saving gas and time. Before heading out, use navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze to check for real-time traffic updates. These apps can help you choose the most efficient route, avoid congestion, and reduce your driving time. Better yet, they can also alert you about road construction, accidents, or other obstacles that might slow you down. By planning ahead, you won't just save gas, you'll save yourself from unnecessary stress as well. Why pay more for gas than you have to? Fuel apps like Gas Buddy, Waze, or AAA's TripTik can help you find the cheapest gas prices in your area. These apps are user-friendly and allow you to compare prices at nearby stations, so you never pay more than necessary. Here's how it works. Just open the app, type in your current location or destination, and browse through a list of gas stations with their prices displayed. You can even filter results by distance, amenities, or the type of fuel you need. Another pro tip: try filling up your tank earlier in the week or during early mornings, as gas prices often spike on weekends or after peak hours. This small change can make a big difference over time. Idling might seem harmless, but it's actually a silent fuel waster. Whether you're waiting for someone in a parking lot or stuck in line at the drive-thru, unnecessary idling burns through your gas and leaves your engine running inefficiently. In fact, idling for just 10 minutes can use as much fuel as driving several miles. If you're going to be stationary for more than 30 seconds, it's better to turn off your engine. Modern cars are designed to handle frequent starts and stops without significant wear and tear. Additionally, consider parking and walking inside instead of waiting in long drive-through lines. It saves fuel, time, and even contributes to reducing air pollution in your area. Aggressive driving isn't just dangerous, it's also expensive. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, and frequent speeding are some of the biggest culprits of poor fuel economy. Driving like this causes your engine to burn much more gas than necessary. Instead, try to adopt a smoother driving style. Gradually accelerate when starting from a stop and anticipate red lights or traffic slowdowns to avoid hard braking. Not only will this save you fuel, but it'll also reduce wear and tear on your car's engine, brakes, and tires. Pro tip: maintain a consistent speed within the posted limits, as speeding dramatically reduces fuel efficiency. Plus, you'll avoid costly speeding tickets. A well-maintained car is a fuel-efficient car. Neglecting vehicle maintenance can lead to problems like clogged air filters, dirty oil, or malfunctioning spark plugs, all of which can decrease your gas mileage. Schedule regular tune-ups with your mechanic, including oil changes, air filter replacements, and engine checks. Keep an eye on your tire alignment and suspension as well, since misaligned wheels can cause unnecessary drag. Although regular maintenance might feel like an extra expense up front, it actually prevents larger issues down the road and saves you money on gas in the meantime. Did you know that carrying unnecessary weight in your car can lower fuel efficiency? For every 100 pounds of extra weight, your car's fuel economy drops by roughly 1 to 2%. That might not sound like much, but over time, it adds up. Take a few minutes to clean out your car's trunk, back seats, and storage areas. Remove anything you don't regularly use, like sports equipment or bulky tools, and if you have a roof rack or bike carrier installed but aren't using it, take it off to improve your car's aerodynamics. A lighter car is a more efficient car, and your wallet will thank you for it. While the 8 main tips we've covered will give you excellent results, there are a few bonus strategies you might find helpful. Avoid using your air conditioning excessively. At low speeds, open windows can be a better option, but at higher speeds, closed windows and moderate AC use are more aerodynamic. Stick to your car manufacturer's fuel requirements. Premium gas isn't always better unless your car specifically requires it. Sometimes it's the little things that can make the biggest difference. Let's quickly go over the 8 main hacks we've covered to keep them fresh in your mind. Keep your tires inflated to the correct pressure. Use cruise control on highways for steady speeds. Plan efficient routes to avoid traffic and detours. Use fuel apps to find the cheapest gas prices. Turn off your engine instead of idling unnecessarily. Accelerate and brake smoothly to save fuel. Stay on top of regular vehicle maintenance. Lighten your load by clearing out unnecessary weight. By combining these strategies, you'll maximize your gas savings and make driving more affordable. Not only will these hacks save you money, they'll also reduce your car's carbon footprint. Every gallon of fuel saved means less pollution and a step towards a healthier planet. It's a win-win for you and the environment. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these gas-saving tips are you most excited to try? Do you have any other tricks up your sleeve for cutting fuel costs? Let us know in the comments section down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on saving money, maintaining your car, and thriving as a smart driver. Liking and sharing this video will help even more people benefit from these easy, actionable strategies. Together, we can make driving more affordable, one tank of gas at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.